Hi all, NIT Calicut published a notification for faculty recruitment, which you can see from the website nitc.ac.in, National Institute of Technology, Calicut, NIT. And from the website, you can see from the latest news, see here notification for faculty recruitment. From this, you can see the notification for faculty recruitment from disciplines of architecture, engineering, and management and science. Okay, and you can see the subjects from the note information bullet. And see here, opening date of online portal 14/7/2021, which is already started, and last date for submission of online application 14th 8 August 14. The 1 month duration is there. Last date for receiving the hard copy by institute 30th 8 August 30th. Okay, and instructions to candidates here is here. Okay, which is already here. You can see from here. Faculty positions are currently available in the following teaching departments or schools: architecture and planning, biotechnology, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, management studies, material science and engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, and physics. 12 streams are available, and there is detailed qualification and everything is there in the NIT's schedule E, and you can refer the schedule E and see there the qualification. And okay, just go through this PDF to understand whatever the requirements and all. And the self-attested copies of the following documents must be attached to the following application, and you should send the hard copy to the institute. A valid photo ID, proof of date of birth, category certificate of ST/ST, category certificate for OBC non-creamy layer, and whatever the category you have to provide a certificate, and academic records, marks or grade cards and certificates from SLC to PhD, experience certificate, salary certificate or payslip for the current employment, publications and details of workshops, certificates of training, summer, winter schools attended, conferences, workshops attended and presented purpose, details of sponsored and consultancy projects, fellowship, membership, professional bodies, awards and recognition, testimonials, and other relevant certificates. And you can and do here you can see how to apply online also. And this is the address of which we have to send the hard copy before 30th August. Okay, and see the instructions before applying. Okay, and here the faculty recruitment rules are here, Ministry of Education MHRD rules, because you have to refer this to apply, because you have to see the qualifications, right? Okay, and then certifications on recruitment rules, MHRD letter number is already there, and link to recruitment portal. Just go through here, and you can register with here email and password and confirm password, mobile number, and you can start registration. And then log in and give all the details, personal details and everything, and just go through the instructions before applying, because you need a photograph and signature. And here they have provided the dimensions also, and you can see the notification here. Click here for the detailed notification, and you can see the notification here. Okay, and then there is also how to apply button. Okay, this is same notification we have seen first place. Okay, then how to apply, just go through this one and how to apply. Okay, and then here how to apply, this is also already seen from the website. Okay, and just go through the website and apply before the last date. Okay, this is a golden opportunity for those who are preparing for teaching and those who want to teach desperately. So go through the website, and if you want to know this Ministry of Education faculty recruitment rules, I'll just open it. Okay, MHRD rules, let's see whatever it is given. Okay, let's see this one. MHRD rules are given in this website. Okay. Okay, this is here. And attention at the order of the board and everything. These are all rules, and there'll be qualification details also will be there. Okay, principal substitute for substitute, I can code of conduct for employee, and you can see this one, qualification and other terms and conditions of appointment, academic staff. Assistant professor, you need essential qualification PhD, essential requirements nil, cumulative essential credit points nothing. Assistant professor on contract, pay band 6. Okay, everything. Assistant professor, they need PhD, and on contract on grade B. Assistant professor, and PhD, they need 3 years PhD and everything. Okay, so it's professor PhD, and professor PhD is required. So for all this post you need PhD, and you need some other essential requirements also. Just go through the website and apply before late. Okay, thank you.